again every Tuesday, almost at 6 o'clock in the afternoon on time. It's a beautiful day today. Is always in May, and I love this May. This May is really a good. I think it's almost the middle of the year, and we're here in Mexico right now. I'm going to travel soon to United States, and it's coming the Mother's Day. This is a great day to follow us because here in Avatar Bank, remember, you can share, you can write us. All the media has chats. You can compare another programs about finances, metaverse, crypto, bitcoins, and a lot of stuff, news about what is going on in the market. And of course, always with my great friend, my partnership, my brother, Gilberto Lopez. How are you, Gil? How are you?
I'm sorry here, a little late. Well, the computer was freezing. So thank you very much. I'm very happy here because we have another program here, and we're going to talk about cryptocurrencies, metaverse, and all that stuff. I just want to jump into what's going on right now with the metaverse, with the coins. Do you have time? Can we go to that?
Yes, we have time. Come on. We can
Okay.
hear you.
So we have now a problem with Bitcoin is down almost 3.6%, 3.5% down from last week. And Ethereum is 1.2. Why is Ethereum today with less loss than Bitcoin? Is because yesterday the Ethereum was worse than Bitcoin. So that's why it's right now in the other way. So if we go down to Shiba, Shiba's minus 10.1%, which is almost, we already lost 1-0. So right now we have a lot more money than we had last week. So if you're planning to buy, this is going to be the best time to do it. In the next following days, the news about the economy in the United States, even though they are good, even though they give good numbers, the economy is not going to support any longer. So the cryptocurrencies are going to go down, I guess, and this is a good opportunity to buy. And remember, this is a strategy we have for a long term, not short term, because in the short term, sometimes when you're speaking in the short term, you expect to have big winnings in the beginning, and then sometimes you have some losses. We're betting for the longest time, which is 20 years, and you may have the value of Shiba Inu at least $1 per Shiba Inu. That's what we're expecting. If you just keep your Shiba Inus for at least 21 years, from 18 to 21 years, you will receive a $1 for Shiba Inu. What do you think about that chart?
Wow, that's good. That's good because it's time to invest. It's going down. It's the way to take care about your money that you're going to invest in a company like us. And it's a good news because you have time right now that the market is for sure is coming soon. Is going to grow up, and is going to be the opportunity that you will have a lot of money in few years, because if you invest, this is the moment to invest. But if you invest in Avatar Bank, for sure you will have a lot of opportunity to make more money. But that's a good numbers, I believe so, to invest right now. Don't.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What happened, my friend? I'm here. I'm still here.
Okay. Well, this is the right time, and we were expecting these numbers for at least 6 months. So this is going to be the right time. And just remember about what we said about when the pandemic started. We said like this pandemic, at least the economic side of the pandemics is going to take at least 7 years. That means that in the world we're going to expect to have the worst scenario in the middle of the pandemics. And what's the middle of the pandemics? 3.5 years. How many years we have now from the pandemics, the beginning of
2019 to 2023. I hear some news that last week they decided that we don't have anymore this virus, and between 19 in the beginning of the 20 and in the middle of the 23 is 2 years and a half, something like that, in real time, with a lot of deaths.
The numbers started in 2019, right? The first case, etc. And the beginning of the year of 2020, it was the pandemics that went global. So we are almost at 3.5 years from the beginning of the pandemics. So this is going to be the worst part of everything is going to take place between today and the next 6 months. That's going to be the very rough time. But if you have like $200 to invest, this is going to be the best time, because when the economics recover, just by recovering, you're going to make money, and very easily, and it's going to take probably 1 year or probably 2 years, and then you just have to wait 10 more years or 15 more years or 18 more years. And this is an investment that anybody can make, because if you have only $200 that you don't expect to use, then if you are young, you will have enough time to enjoy that money in 20 years. If you have middle age like me, you will have time to enjoy that money. And if you are someone that already is in the 80s, 90s, and you don't want, no, Charlie is younger than that a lot. But
I know.
Even if you're older than we together, like 90 years or something, is you can live with $200 to your grandsons, at least the opportunity to have a great fortune in 20 years, even though the number of $1 is not there. Even if it's half the dollar, even if it's 10 cents of a dollar, that's a lot of money. That's like $2 million. Yes. So this is a great opportunity of investment, and I will share this information with many people because this is something that you only need to have $200. That's the only expectations that you have to do, and just forget that you have it for at least 20 years, because in 20 years you will have a lot of money with that investment.
Yes, that's true. That's true. I'm very happy that you say that, because our audience, our people that is hearing us, that is right now with us, need to understand that this program have at least 8 months, maybe more, and we have a lot of really nice people that is invest in Avatar Bank, and but like you say in the beginning of the program, the pandemic was killing us in different ways, finances ways, your health ways, but really right now it's gone. The pandemic is gone. The COVID is gone. For sure you need to invest, and if you have only $200, no more, at least $200. If you have little more, well, you can invest more. But like Gilberto said right now, if you want to only put this money in this Avatar Bank for 18, 19 or 20 years, you will have a lot of money. Leave it there. Leave it there for 20 years. You're not going to believe it. If you have the age that maybe you are saying is too many years, this go directly to your grandsons, to your children, to your family directly, because this is forever. and you're not going to do nothing. And this is transparent because this is your money, this is your account. You will see every month, every day, every year how the money is going up, is going down, is going up, and is going down. But I'm going to repeat this to the audience. I'm going to repeat to our already partnerships that they spend or they invest. They invest their money with us. That the only thing that you're going to feel is that you are not doing anything. You don't need to do nothing. You don't need to worry about nothing because it's only $200. And for sure, the market that we already, with my expert friend Gilberto Lopez, have a very good analysis. We talk with the very important people about the banks, the finances, and of course, all that kind of business that maybe a lot of people was losing money. This is not the way to lose your money. This is the way to grow up, like Gilberto said. And I'm very excited because my money for all this time is going to be a lot of money. How much money is it, Gilberto? Can you remind me in 19, 18 years how much money is going to be?
Yeah. Okay. Let's go again to the numbers.
Yes.
And, we see here that the Shiba Inu, which is marked here, the price is 0.5 zeros, not 4 like last week. Today is 5 zeros, 905. If you divided $200 in 0.50905, you will have 22 million Shiba Inus, cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inus.
Yes.
If these prices, like this one, like instead of 5 zeros, just eat 1 zero. Last week we had 1 zero more, so it was 4 zeros instead of 5 today. And then it eats like every 5 years, 1 0, 1 0 5 years, 1 0 5 years, 1 0 5 years. You will have 10 cents in 20 years. That's the worst scenario, and that means that you have $2 million. If it goes up to $1, you will have $22 million. That's a lot of money, a huge amount of money.
Yeah. Imagine if you can sell that in 10. Can you multiply that for $10? How much will it be? Will it be
yeah, if it goes to 10, but we just wish to get to 1.
Okay, you're right.
Yeah. $10 is right. 220 million dollars. $220 million. If it goes up to 10. Yeah. But let's go conservative. Let's play conservative.
10 cents.
That's why I don't invite anyone. I don't invite anyone to invest more because or to invest like every day or to do trading or things like that, because that's so risky and you have to be involved a lot in there. Right now here is you just invest 200 or 500. If you have 1,000, you invest as you want, whatever you want. And the only reason is you have to take it to have it at least frozen for 20 years. And this is going to go up to almost $1. And we have
almost
Mario
$1.
here.
Yeah.
We prepared, working a lot and thinking about what opportunities bring the pandemic. Yeah. Thank you, Mario, for participating. Thank you.
Can you read that again for me, please?
We prepare, working a lot and thinking about what opportunities bring the pandemic. That's Mario.
Oh, thank you, Mario. I didn't see you.
Yeah.
That's good. And remember, we are here every Tuesday at 6 o'clock on time. For you, if you need more information, you can write in the like you already did, and we will still here forever. And remember, this is a very serious investment for a long time. Why long time? Let me explain you this. A lot of people is telling you that you are going to make money so fast that if you invest some $1,000, $2,000 or maybe less, you're going to be rich really fast. That's not true. They're lying to you, because that's not the way to make money. Whether if you have only $200, if you have only $500, and really you want to don't risk your money that you're saving only to invest, this is the company that we presume that we are very 100% that this is a real business for a long time. But if you're going to risk, but with a very solid market right now, because it's coming out of a big problem of the pandemic, is coming out for different ways. In the United States happen some things very weird about banks, about the war in Russia, about the petroleum. But right now is the time to invest, because we can tell you every Tuesday for almost 20 years what is going to happen with your money. And if that happens right now, and the graphics and your coins and your investment only go up 10 cents of your investment, $200, you will have $2 million, only $2 million in and $2 million is a lot. But for sure, I think so. I feel that will be more than 2 million, because it's not going to grow up only 10 cents, because we know how the market was 5 years ago. I know the market what happened 20 years ago, and between 20 years ago to today is going to grow up more, because a lot of people like Elon Musk, Metaverse, Meta from Facebook, a lot of people is doing the same that we are doing. And we're not copying them. They are copying us. You know why? Because we began long time ago, and this is working. But remember, you're going to invest your money and you're going to leave it there for a long time. And you will see, and like Gilberto said, if you're younger, I'm very, very young, between 20s, 30s, 50s, 20 years is not a lot of time in your real life, you know? I am 60. I don't care in 20 years. I feel that I'm going to live more than 20 years, you know? I feel that. I feel healthy, but my money is going to go directly to my wife, to my family, maybe to some friends, like Gilberto is my best friend. I will send some, you know, you make your testament and you say, well, this is this is for Gil. But I'm very happy. I'm very excited, right, Gil? This is a great opportunity.
Yeah, this is a unique opportunity. And as Mario said, the pandemic brings a lot of opportunities, and one of that is that the markets are down. And so, as the markets are down, only by recovering to the old numbers, let's imagine what happened. Okay, right now let's go with the numbers. Bitcoin is $27,000. If it goes down to $19,000, when it recovers, it will go up to $27,000. The problem here is that you have to invest $20,000 or $19,000 to get $1,000 or $10,000 to recover. You know, the good thing with Shiba Inu is that the price is so low that you make a lot of money just by buying a lot of coins with very small value. So it multiplies whenever it goes up. You multiply that by the times the cryptocurrency you bought. So you can make a lot of money with Bitcoin or Ethereum, but the entry cost is going to go up. Even though if you decide to do like trading or something, and you want to invest like $2,000 or something, and you think you're going to make a lot of money there, yeah, it's fine. Just take $200, the 10% of what you're going to invest in trading in this strategy, and this is going to be your long-term strategy, and then you can combine your earnings from the long strategy with the short-term strategy, which is daily almost. The trading is almost daily. So I think this is the great opportunity. This is the best way to do it. I just don't feel like I'm going to be every day like checking the prices and when to buy, when to sell. That's very hard. You have to invest a lot of time in there. So to just buy right now whatever you can with $200. If you have $500, it's fine. If you have $1,000, it's fine. You just have to be sure that you won't need that money for at least 20 years. That's the only thing that it has to happen. What happens if you request the money? Well, you won't get the 22 million or the $2 million. You will get a lot less. But that's because you're just taking your money out, you know. And even though you can keep that money, or you can give us the opportunity to have that money with us, and in a safe wallet, in a cold safe wallet, which is outside the internet, and we have those coins in a special storage unit. And then when you request it, you just send us the documentation, and then we transfer that to your e-wallet, as you prefer. That's not the problem. So
Yes.
I will invite everyone, if you have $200, this is the best time to do it. Just to invest in cryptocurrency, and Shiba Inu, I think, is the best option because of the price, because the price is very low, and it also have proof that in the past the cryptocurrency was worth a lot more. So my thinking is that it's gonna go recovering, and you're gonna make money there at least 3, 4, 5, or 10 or 20 times in the near future, like 2-3 years from now.
That's true, my friend. That's really true. And we need to only wait all that time. And for sure, one important thing is that don't forget that this channel, like always in the media, we have a chat. Yeah, we have a way that you can find us. Also, you can share. But more important than that, please subscribe, because you will receive with the notification all the information that you need, and this information is going to help you to make decision. And one decision is to save the money to invest in a good way to do it forever. That's it, Gilberto. I like it a lot. This is going to be a very, very make me in the middle of the day, almost the middle of the month. But I want to say congratulations to the Mexican mothers tomorrow, Gil. Tomorrow is Mother's Day here in our side of the country. And I really want to say hi and have a nice Mother's Day tomorrow. That is their day. What do you think about that?
Well, I think the Mother's Day tomorrow is not only for Mexicans. If you have a mother, then you have to celebrate, and that's a very good opportunity. And just don't miss it, because anyway, your son, and you have to celebrate with your mother, your wife, or whatever, because this is a great time, a great opportunity. They have a great expectation over the day. So I think anyway, you have to celebrate. We have another question from Mario, and then we'll say goodbye. What do you think about that, Charlie?
Yes.
Do you recommend invest on Bitcoin or crypto coins, and I can sleep for short rest of my life? Remember, I'm 72 years old. Um, well, Mario, depending on what you want. If you want to make money fast, then you should invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum. I will prefer to invest in Ethereum. Why Ethereum? Because Ethereum has a lot more chances, have more opportunities. I will invite you to check other programs, and Ethereum is a more complete cryptocurrency. It's not only cryptocurrency, is also the certificates, NFT certificates, is also a program. You can buy, you can have like smart contracts, and then these almost only these two capabilities that Bitcoin doesn't have. That makes a better cryptocurrency from Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the leader right now, and Bitcoin is just is leading, and it probably will be for a long time, and probably in 20 years more. But Ethereum is making a lot of progress in that area because the capabilities they have. Almost all the rest of cryptocurrencies, like we said, Shiba Inu, all of them are based in Ethereum technology. So if the cryptocurrencies go up, Ethereum will go up as very soon. And then if you want to invest and get a lot of money really fast, yes, this is the best time to do it. It's going to be fast. And if you have, like, let's say you buy 10 Ethereums instead of one Bitcoin, you will get 10 times more money there. And if you want to leave like $200, $500, or $1,000 to your grandsons, that's also a good opportunity to invest in Shiba Inu, and just forget about that investment for at least 20 years, because the cryptocurrency is going to go up to $1, and when the prices go up to $1, you will have, with an investment of $200, you will get $22 million at least. So this is the best opportunity you have for investment with a very short, small amount in the long term in cryptocurrency. Why Shiba Inu instead of Ethereum? Because of the price difference. Shiba Inu has a very big amount of people just working on Shiba Inu uses. So Shiba Inu has the followers and the community. They call themselves Shiba Inu Army, and so they are working every day. They have their own metaverse. They have their own companies working on Shiba Inu. Like we mentioned, like 2 months ago, the opening of a burger place where you can buy with Shiba Inu only, and there are many things that Shiba Inu Army is doing. So that makes me believe that the price is going to go up, because it's not only for investment, it's also very helpful, very useful, and people is looking for new ways to have this cryptocurrency in a regular monetary base, like financial or economy, as more similar to the regular coin. So I will invest in Shiba Inu instead of other coins. Or if you want to make very fast, just go to Ethereum. That's going to be your best investment. Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin is fine, but I will prefer to go to Ethereum. That's only my opinion, humble opinion. So let's go, Charlie. I will leave you. Thank you very much, Mario, for asking, and see you then soon.
Thank you, Mario. See you. Thank you, Gil. Always at 6 o'clock in the afternoon, almost in time every Tuesday. Follow us, please. Ask questions, and for sure you will receive a good answer from Gilberto Lopez, our expert in finances and Ethereum and all this really nice way to make money. Well, I will say goodbye to everyone, and don't forget, every Tuesday at 9 o'clock in the afternoon, you can see us. Bye-bye.